Good morning, guys. Today is gonna be a shoot gig. Wow, it's been a while since I've done a gig for a client these days since pandemic. And I'm gonna do a drone coverage along a area along Daang Hari. So let's see. I mean, this is gonna be fun. It's been a while since I've done something like this, so let's go. There's a lot of bikers at this time along Daang Hari. I wish I can get my bike fixed so I can join them at least. I got an umbrella just in case it gets hot. The struggle of preparing a drone shoot. Found a place to launch a drone. It's a really bare area, no buildings whatsoever, but lots of natural resources. Natural resources like trees, birds. I'm just worried about the birds. That's it. I feel like I'm at my element, even though I'm not traveling these days. Good times. Masyadong bright ng sun, so kailangan ng filter. Late na kasi. Yun nga, masyadong late na. And that's that. I'm really sweaty. Nice light. Okay, so my shoot just ended. It was fun. I haven't been flying for a while and I miss flying my drone in places like that. I mean, even though it's just a piece of land, you know, sometimes it's nice to fly my drone once in a while. Anyways, this is just a short vlog. I mean, I haven't been vlogging lately, as you guys can see in my latest upload. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow my social media accounts. And I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.